get back to it in a couple of days. But it reminded me when I was taking C++ at a university that it was basically converting. We had a project where we had to convert letters to numbers, like the letter A in binary is the same at sequence of 1 and zeros for the number 65 and so on. So we were supposed to give this encode something and come back, and I was kind of bored or something. I came up with this little thing: "Dear James Bond, if you decide to accept this mission," when I got that part of the assignment back, he said, "Cute, don't do it again." But I had to drop the course because the lab part of the course was in the afternoons, and that's when everybody got up or finished their classes and went to the computer labs. And at the time, it wasn't like this. It was more of a text-based version called VMS, I think. And it was right on the server, and it just slowed right down. And I had a project for another course, which I had to go downtown Halifax to the Citadel Hill to track the sun setting. I didn't do that well because I'm not that great of a artist, but well, and then somebody said a year later, "Why didn't you just get somebody in Loyola to let them use their window?" I didn't know anybody in Loyola, which was one of the residences at the university. But also, MC2 right up. He's debating a flat earther. But about 5 or 6 years ago, I was using W3 schools like this to design a web page. It made sense at the time to do it. And another project that I don't know if right now I had to make it a web page. I have to spend about $60 for the service to do it. And this M34 is not my M34. These are pictures that I took. This one and these ones, there's some others, but these ones I all took about 20 years ago at the observatory at St. Mary's. These ones I took through Twitter. You could used to, until Elon charged $100 a month for the privilege for people to have their apps based off of Twitter. You could go through Twitter and ask for the observatory to take pictures for you remotely. You can do it through email or through Facebook now, but I still haven't processed this one. This one I got in a bunch of different wavelengths. I've got to find a way of aligning all the stars so it looks right. But I've had problems saving this thing because one time the power went out while midway working through it. There's different parts. So what I'm going to do, copy, file, new text, paste it, and because I tried doing this earlier and it messed up, and instead of copying different sections out of some other code or a different web page, I cut it and saved the cut version without putting new code in. So there, at least I have something. If something goes wrong, I can, but probably have more work to do.